In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Sony FX3 firmware. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire the update files to perform a software update on your FX3 and how to actually do it. All that you need to do this is to download the official files from the Sony website, load them up into the SD card, and then with the SD card loaded into the camera, you can perform the update from the settings. So to start all of this, first go into the camera setup option, and I recommend double checking the version. So in the setup category, setup option, and then version, you can ensure that you need an update. So double check your current version and see if an update is going to be worthwhile. Sometimes you might already have the latest version. Next, what you have to do is go into the USB category on the setup page and change USB connection to mass storage. So make sure that you select mass storage instead of auto or MTP. Once you change this to mass storage, you are good to go with the setup. Now download the necessary files. They can be found on the official Sony website when you look for the ILM3 FX3 system software update. So just search for FX3 firmware update on Google, and when you arrive at this page on the official website, you will find it here. As you can see, it is a .dat file, so you click download, and instead of executing this file, you will need to load this file into the SD card. So take the SD card out of the camera, load it into your PC, and then add the bodydata.dat file that you acquired into the SD card. So this is going to be the SD card. You load the file that you downloaded from the official website into it, and then you put the SD card back into the FX3 camera. With the SD card loaded alongside the firmware update file, all that you have to do is go into the version page once again, and you will find the software update button. As long as the file was properly introduced into the SD card when you choose software update, it will read that file and give you the option to update to the latest version. So in this example here, 6.02. If you are watching this video in the future, this version might have changed. Read through all of the instructions here. As you can see, they warn you that the update takes several minutes, the device will reboot automatically, and there is a lot to read, so scroll up and down as needed. Once you are satisfied and ready to start, choose execute and let this process finish. I hope I was able to help you on how to update Sony FX3 firmware. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.